what's going on, because the question is a bit complicated. Okay, so a car was traveling from town A to B. At the same time, a van was traveling from B towards A. So let's draw one line. So we have A and B over here. So car start from A, and then the van start from B, right? So after traveling for 120 kilometers, the car went past Jam Market at 8:30. Right. Okay, what this means is that in the middle somewhere, we don't know where it is. There's a Jam Market. Jam. There's a Jam Market, and the car. Wait, who is the one? The car went past. So the car is the one that reached here, 8:30. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Can hear? Okay, can. Yeah, so sometimes they'll disconnect. I don't know why. Then you'll reconnect again. Okay, so yeah, so we continue, right? So there is a Jam Market somewhere in the middle. Okay, it's not exactly in the middle. We don't know where it is, but it is 120 kilometers away. So here is 120 km. Oops, km away, right, from town A, and at 10, the van passed by the car at the midpoint between Jam and Town B. Okay, so we have a midpoint. Let me use a red color. At 10, the van passed by the car at the midpoint. So let's say midpoint here. Okay, that's the midpoint. And the time here is at 10 o'clock. 1000. So the question is, the van reached Jam Market. Okay, see, there are multiple things going on. So there's so many things going on, right? Yeah, yeah. Wait, let me see. Midpoint between. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, so I actually missed that information. Wait. So the midpoint is here. So it's here. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, this is the midpoint. Okay, and this is at 10 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, correct. Okay, so the van reached Jam Market at 12:30. Okay, so we are going to have like another line from 10 to here. Red color is for the van. It's at 12, 1, 2, 3, 0, like this. So both the van and the car did not change the speed. What was the difference between the speed of the car and the van? Yeah, it's like a really shocking thing. Suddenly they ask you, what is the distance? What's the difference between the speed of the car and the van? Okay, let's see what information we have. Let me digest a bit. The car is running from A to the same time. Okay, but so far our drawing is correct. Okay, what information can we deduce from here? The car 1.5. Let's look at the same distance. Okay, I'm gonna use another color, right, so we can see what I'm talking about. Let's examine this particular distance. Just this part. Now, how long did the car take to travel this part? Blue color for the car. How long did the car take to travel this part? 1.5 hours, right? Okay, so let me set up a DST triangle. Not DST triangle, I mean a DST ratio. Yeah. So DST for the car and the van. So for the same distance, the car actually took 1.5 hours, right? Whereas the van took 2.5 hours, correct? for the same distance, the yellow color part. Okay, it's a bit messy here. Okay, so can we see that the yellow color part? So can you deduce something about the speed? Can we deduce something about the speed for the car and the van? Just based on this time. Just based on this info on the time. Just based on this time, right? Can I deduce something for the speed of the car and the van? Yeah, very good. The ratio between the speed of the car and the van is actually 5:3. Okay, that's great. You see, at this point of time, I still don't know how to solve, you know. I'm as clueless as you are. So I just try to get as much information as I can. Alright, so the time is 3:5, so it's reverse, 5:3. Distance. Okay, now what we have to wait, let me see. Distance is 3. Okay, so the other thing that we have to look at is that they wait, where did they meet? The van reached Gem Market. Okay, so they met over here. Yeah, let me see if I'm correct. So they met at this point. At 10 o'clock. So the extra distance that the car traveled was 120 kilometers. What this means is that now if we go back to the DST, this ratio, now I can also try to fill in the distance. If the speed between the car and the van is 5:3, the distance covered, right, should also be 5:3. Okay, can you see that? So we are using the idea that the distance and the speed is proportional, but then speed and time is inverse. Okay, now why is this useful to me? Because you see, wait, did they start the same time? Yeah, so they started at the same time, but then what is the extra distance that the car traveled as compared to the van? Where is the additional distance? It is over here. Do you understand this part? It's like, yeah, it's like this is like 1 unit, you know. This also like 1 unit. Okay, sorry, this is actually like 3 units. So the van traveled 3 units, right? And then this is the same, okay, because these two are the same, and this is actually the 2 units. Can you see that? The green color is based on this thing. It's based on here, alright? So and then immediately I know that since 2 units represent 120 kilometer, 1 unit is equals to 60 kilometers. Okay, and I'm supposed to find out what's the difference between the speed. Wow, still haven't reached there yet, but we are slowly getting there. Okay, what else can we find? 2.5 hours. Okay, I can find 3 units. Why I want to find 3 units is because I want to find the distance here. What's the distance here? Right, so the 3 units is 180, right? Okay, so the distance here is 180 kilometers. Okay, and how long did the car take to travel 180? It's not covered. You see, you see the car is at the top, right? 1.5 hours. Yeah, 1.5 hours. So I have to take distance 180 divided by 1.5. It will give me, what's 180 divided by 1.5? 120, so this is the car's speed. Yeah, okay, let's put a C here. And then the van's speed, 180 divided by 2, 2.5, 72. Yeah, very complicated. So what's the difference? So the difference is 120 minus 72, and the answer is 48 kilometer per hour. Yep, that's it. Yes, and it's correct. Alright, I just checked the answer. Yeah. Wait, let me readjust the thing. Yep. Okay, so let's just revisit this thing again, right? So what's the concept here to be able to solve is the DST ratio. You need to know the DST ratio and a lot of English, right? Your English, you must understand what's going on. You know, like for me, I actually made the mistake of overlooking the midpoint thing. Okay, I didn't pay attention to the midpoint. I thought it's like midpoint means midpoint between A and B. If I did that, that's it already. The whole thing will be wrong. Yeah, alright. And then the other thing is you have to be able to see this extra distance, this thing over here. And the only way for you to see this is that you must be able to compare with 2 units here, and these 2 units here is derived from here lah, which is the DST ratio. Yeah, so without the DST ratio, it will be very difficult to solve this one from Raffles Girls. Yeah, it's multiple steps, multiple steps. I have recorded the video, so if you have time, you can go and take some time to go and see. Yeah, so these are what we call difficult speed questions, right? With multiple concepts embedded into one particular question. These are multiple concepts. Okay, let's see if I have another one, which is also, yeah. Don't have. I mean this is based on history. You can see last year what they had is straightforward like that. Yeah, and then okay, this one, right, the 2016 one is if you want, you can actually use DST ratio to solve, but Andre didn't need to use DST ratio. If you use her method, it's fine, it's okay. You can, if you use DST ratio, it'll be pretty fast to solve 2016. This one, the 2017 is just normal. This is the extra this is the extra speed. The extra speed type, right? That's what she did. You see, 4. You have to find out what is the additional speed, which is also quite difficult. If you for some students, they don't have knowledge of this thing, so it's going to be a bit tough for them. So yeah, I mean, you can definitely look forward to having advanced type of speed questions for PSLE, since almost every year they test something like that. Right. So yeah, that is the Raffles Girls question. It's quite tough. Right. Okay, let me see if I have another one. That is the, okay. Let's do one friendly one. Okay, I'll try this friendly. Alright.